Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a beginner's guide on automations with Make.com. If you're not familiar already, Make.com is the ultimate platform that empowers you to build complex workflows visually and automate tasks without writing a single line of code. So whether you're completely new to automations or have some experience, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to leverage Make.com's drag and drop builder. If you don't have an account with Make.com yet, go ahead and navigate to the link below. It is our affiliate link, so if you create an account and use any of their services, you'll be benefiting our channel at no additional cost too. So once you've landed on this page, go ahead and click in the top right corner where it says get started for free. Create an account using your email or simply your Google Mail, and then you will be prompted to set up your profile. Make.com will ask for a few details about your company, such as the industry you're working in, your role within the company, size of your organization, and your experience with automations. Now, once you land on your main dashboard, it's really helpful to go ahead and explore the templates section. Since this is a beginner's guide, we know that the pre-made workflow is designed to save you time, allowing you to automate common tasks instantly. So again, if you don't really have any experience with automations, you might save a lot of time and find many of these helpful. So onto the left sidebar, click on templates. You will see a library of templates categorized by the applications and use cases. And they are pretty much self-explanatory, as you can see on the title. For example, we've got this one right here that says generate ChatGPT completions from Google Sheets rows. If you ever wondered how sometimes on Telegram you get instant replies, then maybe they are using this one right here that says ChatGPT powered Telegram bot for instant replies. Or for example, if you want to save new Gmail attachments to a Google Drive, you may run this automation right here. For the example of this video, I'm going to continue with a Gmail template. So for that, navigate to the search bar right here, click Gmail for convenience, and then you will see all the automations that include Gmail in them. So let's say, for example, I want to select this one right here that automatically forward new Gmail emails containing a specific word to another email address. So essentially, Make will forward any Gmail messages containing that word to your chosen email address. Hit that scenario and then click on the Create New Scenario from Template. So of course, such scenario can be perfect for you if you want to automate email management, such as categorizing, forwarding, or archiving messages. So of course, from this template right here, this section will be your trigger. And then you've got the watch emails, keyword filter, and then the Gmail to send an email. So essentially, it is a three-way kind of process. If you click right here, then this will pop up, and then from here, you have to select an account to connect it with. So from here, you want to create a connection by clicking the add button. A pop-up will appear asking you to authenticate your Gmail account, and then you want to click allow to grant Make.com access to your Gmail. This access is necessary for Make.com to automate tasks on your behalf if you choose this automation. And once connected, your Gmail account will be saved for future workflows. Additionally, you can choose the criteria from which you want the emails to be targeted. So for example, you can go with all emails or only the read emails or the unread ones. You can choose to mark the emails as read once they have been fetched. And of course, you can choose the maximum number of results. So by default, it is set at 200. I'm going to leave it at that and click OK. Now, the second part of our connection for the trigger is you see this little clock right here. So if you click on that, it will actually pop up this menu right here that goes into the schedule setting. So you can choose to run the scenario at regular intervals. So either once, every day, days of the week, or on demand. And then you can also choose the minutes, which is the time interval in which the scenario should be repeated. And for this trigger right here, it must be higher than or equal to 15 minutes. Now onto the middle part, as you can see right here, we've got the filter itself. So click on the keyword filter right here, and then you can label it whatever you want. So I'm going to keep it at keyword filter. And as you can see, the condition for the automation right here will be a text content, as it will be read from the email. And then it will say the text operators contains meeting. So essentially, when it finds this text content that says meeting, it's going to fetch that email and then forward it onto the next Gmail. And then onto the last part of the condition, we've got the second Gmail account. And this is the one that's going to receive the forwarded emails if they contain the filtered word. So again, the process is pretty simple. You just have to connect another email address right here. And you can also specify the subject, as you can see right here, and then you can add more content. So inside that email, it will have a forwarded email from Gmail if you choose to along the attachments. So again, as you can see, without using any lines of codes right here, I just come here and then add onto this trigger template. And just like that, I have a very simple automation that I can connect my Gmail accounts to and start using right away. And then I can have automated forwarding of the new Gmail emails that contain a specific word to another email address. Very simple and can save you a ton of time. Now, once you have finalized your own connections and made sure the template has everything you need in it, you can simply click the run once button, and then it's going to do exactly that. It's going to run this automation once. And the great thing about that is that you get to check whether your automation is running or not. And if something is wrong, then it's going to tell you immediately what's missing. So in my case, if I choose to run it right here, it's going to say error, value must not be empty about the Gmail because I haven't connected my own Gmail accounts yet. And now that we covered how we can get started from a template, let's go ahead and cover how you can actually build your own workflow. So essentially you want to go back to your home dashboard again, and then from here onto the top right corner, you click create a new scenario. This will take you onto this page right here where you can see a big purple plus icon. And this essentially sets your new scenario, starting with the triggers. So we can start with any trigger from all of these applications that you can see here. There are hundreds of applications that are popular and can all be useful. As you can see, there is the OpenAI, so ChatGPT or DALL-E. You can start with Google Sheets, Tools, Flow Control, HTTP, etc. So for this example, I'm going to run you through how you can create a basic automation that connects your WordPress site to your Twitter account. So this automation will monitor your blog for new posts and automatically tweet the title and link to your followers. The trigger will be a new blog post published on WordPress, and the action will be to post a tweet on your Twitter account with the blog post title and link. So in the search bar, I'm going to start by typing WordPress and then select it from the drop-down list. Next, you want to choose the watch posts trigger. This trigger will activate whenever a new post is published on your WordPress site. If this is your first time using WordPress on make.com, you want to add the connection. And you do that essentially by entering your WordPress site URL and then your login credentials. Again, once connected, make.com will be able to access your blog data. After that, we want to add our next module, so the Twitter action. From there, you want to click on the next plus icon to add a new module, search for Twitter and select it, and then choose the create a tweet action. Again, if you haven't connected your Twitter account yet or your X account, then you want to add the connection right here. Now, once you have connected both of your WordPress and your Twitter accounts, you will get into the simple process on how you can add items and then customize the actual blog post, change the title and everything else just how I showed you in the Gmail automation. Don't forget to run the test at the bottom of the screen and then publish a test on your WordPress site. Now, there's another cool feature that they have added and you might find useful as it integrates AI and can help you navigate your own automations within this canvas. So if you click on the AI button right here, you can pretty much ask it anything as you get 30 credits and they reset every 7 days. So if you need help creating a filter, editing a scenario, or even getting started with a scenario, you can go ahead, describe it right here, and then you will get the answers. And finally, if I go back to my main dashboard again, from here I can actually see all of the operations, the data transfer that has happened. If you have any active scenarios, then you can monitor them on this tab right here. Or if you want to, you can check the recommended template. Maybe there is something that you actually like from here and can get started with it right away. And finally, I want to cover the pricing so you know what you're actually paying for as you go with this platform. Essentially, we've got two types of plans, the monthly plans and the annual ones if you choose to save a little bit of money. So from here, you can actually stick to the free plan to get started with 1000 operations per month. You can try make.com and then test their drag and drop interface. You can actually create an automation with the free plan and get started with using it. But if you want more, then you can go with the core plan at $9 per month billed yearly and you get up to 10,000 operations per month. With that, you get the unlimited active scenarios, minimum 1 minute interval between scheduled scenario executions. So if you notice, while I was making my automations, actually the minimum interval between them was 15 minutes. And this is a big delay if I were running an active scenario. Their next plan at 10,000 operations per month is the Pro plan, and finally the Teams plan at $29 per month. So essentially, this tutorial was just a beginning in the world of automations with make.com. There is endless possibilities of automating your workflows with make.com's intuitive builder. It has a very vast, extensive app library and a powerful no-code toolkit. So if you're excited, go ahead, check the link below this video and try this tool out for yourself. See what it has to offer, and if you like it and choose to continue with it, then you can go and select one of these plans. Having this tool to streamline your tasks will save you time, boost your productivity in both personal and professional life. So if you have found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we'll be delving deeper into make.com, create more tutorials that are more complex to this one, and show you exactly how you can run an automation for one of your social media accounts. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comment sections down below, and hope to see you guys in the next video.